Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night. Thank you for coming to this presentation. It is nice to see you. My name is FAHMI. I'm from Vocational Tulungagung. This presentation we will discuss and what have been activities. First, I want to explain about I want to explain about another activities. Activities is one of the spring group activities are small freshwater ornamental. This fish is popular because it is easy to maintain and has a variety of beautiful color patterns, especially in male fish. Meanwhile, female fish are more monotonous into color. Next, a good container for raising the fish. For a good fish raising container, including a bowl, aquarium, or plastic for the size you need to be larger, namely 48 milliliter up to 90% of the height of the container. The quality of the water used water that has been divorced. Next, water quality. Water quality by chance, and keeping the water temperature in the 22 Celsius range. The water heater on the tank and the thermometer at the equivalent, and that's why you will be able to tell if the water temperature is consistent of the maintenance bed. Although they are not liquid crystal in those types of water, and there however they live in water with of 7.7 feet. Activities are included in the agricultural class. This is due to the fact that their main food in planting and organic matter. There are also some guppies that guppies that are kept in the aquarium can be given artificial food in the form of pellet. The fish is in accordance with the mode opening of the guppies by feeding to time the diet, normally morning and evening. Okay, next, feeding stats, die 0 and 2. It still has spare eggs and you don't need to give anything. Die 3 and 10 can be given if Shora or yellow egg and ortolan. Die 10 and 17 can be given a filtered water fish. Die 10, die 11 to 20 can be given water, place, and support. Die 20 next can be given pellets according to the fish. This is skin infection. This infection is caused by fungus and spread around it. Initial symptom, the appearance of white spot-like pattern on the body of the fish. The fish is less active to cause also to not effective cell color. Treatment, isolation, or quarantine of sick fish. Replace the water in the fish is white skin. Kids and friendly, which is brand. Which serve to the tank. White spot are caused by parasites, but get the water condition, initial system, the of white spot on the body of the fish. Due to excessive the fins, my fish often hit the walls of the aquarium, as if trying to scratch their bodies. Treatment, isolation, or quarantine of fish. Because the water fish is once killed. The key is making blue fish fish. Conflicts are caused by dirty water pollution, causing that pollution emissions are sometimes filling up the ocean. The fish become difficult to get and to swim on the surface of the water, which is covers the land to cause steady. Treatment, isolation, or quarantine for symptoms. Secondly, reduce the water pool. The place is quite clean. The blue which syndrome. Syndrome is caused by bacteria. Initial symptoms this color appears like bleeding on the edge of the fins. The after fins gradually come down. It is badly rotten. It will spread through the body of the fish. Treatment, isolation, or finding of slowly reduce the water pool. The fish is what's clean. Antibiotics, brain conditioning. The bird is one drug per aquarium. Sales as of fish can be done offline or online. What is mainly offline sales is that the buyer comes directly to our fish through patient. So we don't need to support inside for online sales, there are several specialists in sales mainly. First, we advertise the cookies that are ready to sell to buyers via several social media such as Facebook, Instagram. Indeed, if you have found a buyer, the buyer can send his cost and post the bank, and don't forget to send the reception's address. The next step is to test the fish that will be sent to the buyer. Generally, the fish can be tested for one edge 24 hours. Fourthly, after the fish is tested for 184 hours, the fish can be packed for eggs. Use a cardboard size of 48 for the content of detail and set it or different staples so that the water inside the bags can be after that the bags can be sent to buyer and send the delivery receipt to buyer. Thirdly, after the fish is received by the buyer, converted to profit and evidence that fish was received healthy. Now we come to the question and answer session. Just turn the microphone and I'll press S. There is any question? The presentation of the has finished. So ARIEZA time is your for presenter.
Okay, thank you, FAHMI Al-Hadi. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming to this presentation. My name is ARIEZA. I'm from Vocational High School 1 Tulungagung. So in this presentation, we will discuss about Habibu guppy fish spawning. First, we should know about place and container. The following is the equipment needed for guppy fish farming, including containers, aerators, and aquatic plants. Containers for spawning guppy fish can be a small aquarium, bucket, and plastic tub. The container or place needed for guppy fish farming has at least 4 functions, namely separation of the broodstock to containers, spawning place 1 container, hatchery 1 container, and nursery 1 container. The area and the size of the guppy fish farming container can vary according to the number of fish to be spawned. Meanwhile, the minimum container height is 30 centimeters, as per for nurseries. A container that is taller than 50 centimeters is required. Next, water quality. Water quality measurements are carried out every day. The observed parameters include pH and temperature. The water quality of guppy fish during this study was still within the tolerance limits of fish life. Okay, the water quality for guppies. Water quality measured during the study were temperature and pH. The temperature range during the study was 26.4 Celsius until 28.0 Celsius, which is have no effects on male genital direction. The influence of male sex direction is only due to treatment because guppy fish is a type of fish that is resistant to poor water quality. In addition, guppy can survive at the temperatures of 18 Celsius to 28 Celsius. This is shown that the temperature in this study is still in the range so that guppies can survive. Next, selection of the parent. Prospective broodstock of guppy fish can be obtained after the fish is 4 months old. To equalize merits, parental care is carried out in a spirit container. The feed given was in the form of Chironomus larva or rechu and Dabnia or water plates, which were given twice a day. Water changes are carried out every 2 till 3 days, as much as 20 until 30% of the volume of the maintenance container. Choose the parent that is relatively large, has a swollen body shape, and has a beautiful color. Male and a female broodstock can be spawned when the gonads are mature, usually at the 3 months of age, and the length of female guppy fish is generally between 4 until 5 centimeters, while male fish are generally between 3.5 until 4 centimeters. Male fish characteristic: eggs more than 4 months, and body shape and long fins and beautiful colors. Movements are aggressive and agile. A healthy body condition, not contracting the disease. And the characteristics of female fish is it has reached experimentally 4 months, with round body around the belly indicated that they are ready for marriage. Slow motion, short fins and an attractive color, healthy body condition. Next, wait. Okay, spawning techniques. First, we should know. First, choose a parent that is relatively large, has a swollen body shape, and has a beautiful color. And second, parents that have been selected are put in on the top for several pairs of parents. However, if you want a certain breed, it can also be done by separating in specific pairs. Third, spawning time must be controlled every day. And the last, once out of the mother's stomach, the young guppies are able to live on their own, swim, search for food, and avoid his enemies. These young guppies will generally continue to join the group. And with the other large fish, however, the mature guppies will not hesitate to prey on the much smaller fry, so that when kept in an aquarium, these young fish need to be separated from adult fish. This fry, if saved, will reach maturity at the age of 1 or 2 months. Next. Maintenance of larvae. First, feeding. Newborn fry do not need food because they still contain the egg yolks. After 3 until 5 days, the new seeds can be fed in the form of bread and mixed egg yolk. After that, in the second week, given mosquito larva. Then given porridge feed pellets. Feeding is given 2 times a day in the morning and evening. 2. Osmoregulation or siphon. The third is clean every 2 days. 10 to 20% of the water that is washed during cleaning is replaced with a new water. Third, selection of a fish species. I'm sorry. Wait. Third, selection of fish species. Sex selections can be made after the young guppy fish is 2 months old by looking at its secondary sex characteristic, such a longer tail fin, better color, and a pointed anal fin. Okay, next. Wait. Oh, okay. Now we come to the question and answer sessions. Just turn the microphone on or press raise hand if you want to ask. Okay, well, there isn't any questions. Okay, thank you very much. Well, presentation about enlarged albino koi guppy fish and happy blue guppy fish spawning have finished. It is very brief and clear. Thank you very much for your great attention, everyone. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. See you. Bye. Thank you.